Welcome, my ultimate music teacher friends. You are about to learn tip number 2 of the top 10 tips. This tip is exactly what you should know before you start thinking about teaching music theory. It's truly what determines our success as educators. And I'm about to share it with you right now. So you can implement this teaching tip number 2. My name is Glory St. Germain. I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory. And we are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. Exclusively for teachers, walking you through from where you are now to wherever that may be, to having a positive, purposeful, and profitable music teaching business. So visit us at MusicBusinessMastery.live and sign up for our 3-day live music teacher training. I've also been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I've collected a vast amount of information that I share with you here on our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little icon, the little bell icon, so you never miss a video. In teaching tip number 3, you met Athalia White, and you heard how she implemented these teaching tips into her music teaching studio with massive success. Today's teaching tip number 2 is exclusively for music teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and profitably. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their musicianship skills, so that others can benefit from your expert teaching. Your teaching is providing massive knowledge and skill sets that students will have forever. So let's dive into teaching tip number 2 of 10. Tip number 2 is purpose and principles. The purpose of teaching music is to facilitate learning in education and the learning process, to facilitate inspiration in the creative process. The principles of teaching music provides the foundational guidelines, and they are beneficial for developing musicianship and pedagogical skills, techniques, and understanding music theory applications. Now, as music teachers, our purpose is to provide an effective, step-by-step system to help students achieve success as musicians. Our teaching principles require strategies that nurture students with a curriculum that engages all learning styles and abilities, to develop critical thinking skills and become passionate, lifelong learners through the enjoyment of music education. Now, we as music teachers have an incredible opportunity because we understand the purpose and the principles of education and how to implement these strategies in our teaching business. And I believe that there are 2 teaching strategies that must be shared in living our best life. So first, your purpose as a professional music teacher comes with the powerful responsibility and opportunity to make a massive difference in the world of music education. So what's your purpose, your goal and vision for your music teaching business? Second, your principles to create the blueprint of unlimited creativity in education, effective communication, and empowered accountability to support your students. What principles will you implement to make a global impact on the world of music education? A wonderful quote by Pablo Picasso is, "The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away." Thought-provoking, isn't it? One of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Natalia Tolensky from Canada, achieved first-class honors with distinction in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. She invested in herself. She focused on her purpose for learning and the principles necessary to build a successful music teaching business with Ultimate Music Theory Club classes. Natalia shared how the UMTC Lead Educator program helped her mindset And one more time, mindset. Mindset is the key to building a successful music teaching business. Natalia became a very confident teacher in building and growing her business. She is also a huge part of our UMT Teachers membership community. And she embraces learning with a positive mindset in our weekly group coaching calls. The reason for her success is this. Natalia teaches with purpose and principles by implementing the Done For You design program for busy teachers, using all the elements of when, why, how to teach music theory classes with the UMTC Elite Educator program while creating continuous success in her music business. As you explore your purpose and principles, think about how you can fast track your business and quickly achieve the next level of learning to become an ultimate music theory certified teacher and discover the possibilities waiting for you. In fact, I'm inviting you to our music teacher training. This 3-day business mastery event is a game changer for your music teaching business. You'll learn the exact systems you need to elevate your income, impact your teaching, and grow your expert music business. Get registered now at MusicBusinessMastery.live. Until next time, I'm Gloria St. Germain. Teach with passion.